Can Chrome be installed on Roku?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether it's possible to install Chrome on Roku. Roku is a popular streaming device that allows you to access a wide range of entertainment options on your TV. Chrome, on the other hand, is a web browser developed by Google. Let's find out if these two can work together.
Compatibility of Chrome and Roku.
Roku devices are designed to run a custom operating system called Roku OS. This operating system is specifically tailored for streaming media and does not support the installation of third-party applications like web browsers. Therefore, you cannot directly install and use the Chrome browser on Roku devices. The Roku Channel Store offers a selection of officially supported channels and apps that are compatible with Roku devices.
Web browsing on Roku.
While you cannot install Chrome on Roku, there is a way to browse the web using your Roku device. Roku provides a built-in web browser called Roku Web Browser. This browser allows you to navigate websites and view web content on your TV screen. However, it's important to note that the Roku web browser is a basic browser with limited functionality. It may not offer the same features and capabilities as a full-fledged web browser like Chrome. To access the Roku web browser, you can search for it in the Roku Channel Store and add it to your Roku device. Once installed, you can launch the browser and use the on-screen keyboard or the Roku mobile app to enter website addresses and interact with web content.
Alternatives to Chrome on Roku.
If you're specifically looking for a browsing experience similar to Chrome on your Roku device, you might consider using a streaming stick or a smart TV that already has built-in support for a full web browser. Some smart TVs offer popular web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Opera pre-installed, allowing you to enjoy a more robust browsing experience. Alternatively, you can also look into screen mirroring or casting options that allow you to mirror your computer or mobile device screen onto your Roku device. This way, you can use the web browser on your computer or mobile device and view the content on your TV through Roku. To wrap up, Chrome cannot be directly installed on Roku devices as Roku OS does not support the installation of third-party web browsers. However, you can use the Roku web browser, a basic built-in browser, to access the web on your Roku device. For a more feature-rich browsing experience similar to Chrome, you may need to explore other devices that offer built-in support for web browsers or consider screen mirroring options. I hope this video has provided you with the information you were looking for. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.